Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this is an unboxing. Just got this in the mail and I'm so excited to open it up. This is from succulentsbox.com. They have several different subscriptions for succulents, but you can also purchase succulents on their website, and right now they have free shipping on all their subscription boxes plus 15% off your first box order for your subscription. So if you guys want to take a look into that, that would be good. So let's see what I got here. Here it is. It looks very nice, nicely packaged. And now, let's see here. Ooh, cards. You get cards and then care instructions. Oh, look, and here it is. 15% off your first order on the website, and the code is Love Plants. Oh, they're the drawings are so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That is very, very nice. I like it. And then it gives you instructions on how to care for your plant. And some other promotional stuff for other websites. A return label in case, you know, for some reason you're unhappy with something happens. Now, here we have the cards, but I don't want to look at the cards yet because I want to open them first, and then we'll look at the cards. So, wow, they bubble wrap each one. It's pretty cool. Trying to be gentle here. These are packed super well. Okay, I can slip it out now. Is it coming out? Yes. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. Look at how pretty, guys. So cute. It's the pearls, string of pearls right here. They give you a little card. That's cool. You can laminate this if you want and keep it so that you don't forget the names of your plants. Well, they have an Instagram too. Their Instagram is the Succulents Box. This came all the way from California, guys. It's a beautiful day outside. Lots of wind. Lots of breeze. Have to enjoy it because soon summer will come and bring on the humidity. And the heat is just, you know, I don't mind it when it's hot and if there's breeze, then you know that helps out, but when it's just super hot and there's no breeze, that's just so difficult. Okay, let me just, I think I need to open this one more. There we go. Here I am. I could just pull it. Oh, look at that. I think this is some type of agavoides, Echeveria agavoides. Let's see. Yep, and this is the agavoides Christmas Echeveria. Very nice. Very, very nice. They took a lot of care in packaging these. You can tell that they care a lot about their plants and their presentation. Really good. I could never package anything like this. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. That is so, so nice. Can you guys see that? So nice. And that is Horthia. Is it rain warded too? I don't know. African pearls. Super nice. And last but not least, there we go. Well, this one got a little dirty. This is one of the ones that I really like. It's just a little dirty. That is to be expected, though. That's what happens. It's very unavoidable when you ship out plants with soil. So, but it's not a big deal. This is Horthia fasciata zebra plant. This is one of my favorite ones. I really love this one. And let me just clean this off and give you a closer look. Okay guys, so I'm back and here they are, nice and refreshed. I gave them a little drink of water just to freshen them up, only with the spray bottle, just very little bit, just to freshen them up and give them a little good rinse. I think sending the plants with the card is very useful. You can easily laminate these and put them on a keychain. You can use a hole puncher and put them on a keychain just like they did with index cards. I don't know if you guys ever seen those for your kids. So yeah, I think that's a great idea to keep. So you could always refer to them if you forget the name of your plant. Anyways guys, so check out succulentsbox.com. Like I said, they have a monthly subscription and also they sell individual plants. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.